Hi, glitter friends.
Hey!
It's time to play GEMMA Says. That's me. I'm Gemma. I'm going to say GEMMA Says and tell you what to do, and you're going to do it. But if I don't say GEMMA Says, then you don't do it. Are you ready?
Yay!
Let's play. Round 1. GEMMA says, clap your hands. GEMMA says, touch your shoulders. GEMMA says, hop on one foot. Hop on the other foot. Oops, I didn't say GEMMA says. Did you do it? Did you hop on the other foot? If you didn't hop on the other foot, give yourself 10 points. And let's get ready for round 2. Round 2. GEMMA says, make a happy face. GEMMA says, make a sad face. GEMMA says, make an angry face. GEMMA says, make a surprised face. Make a silly face. Did you do it? Oops, I didn't say GEMMA says. Oh no! Give yourself 10 points if you didn't make a silly face. I know what you're thinking. You really wanted to make a silly face. Okay, let's make a silly face together on the count of 3. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So silly. Round 3. GEMMA says, gallop like a horse. GEMMA says, slither like a snake. GEMMA says, squeak like a mouse. Squeak, 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 squeak. GEMMA says, walk like a penguin. Meow like a kitten. Meow. Oops, I didn't say GEMMA says. Did you meow? If you didn't meow, give yourself 10 more points. That was a tough one. Should we try an even tougher one? I think we can do it. Let's go. Round 4. GEMMA says, pretend like you're eating a juicy hamburger. GEMMA says, pretend like you're swimming. Splish, splash, splish, splash. GEMMA says, pretend like you're falling asleep. GEMMA says, wake up. Pretend like you're ice skating. Oops, I didn't say GEMMA says. Did you ice skate? If you didn't ice skate, give yourself 10 more points. All right, are you ready for the next and the final round? This one's gonna be a tricky one because it's gonna be super fast. Are you ready? Let's go. Round 5, Speedy round. GEMMA says, touch your cheeks. GEMMA says, wiggle your fingers. GEMMA says, sing happy birthday as fast as you can. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you. GEMMA says, turn around. GEMMA says, be a bird. GEMMA says, be a ballerina. Stick out your tongue. Did you do it? Did you stick out your tongue? Whoops, I didn't say GEMMA says. If you didn't stick out your tongue, give yourself another 10 points. Now tally up those points and see if you got up all the way to 50 points. That was so good and so much fun. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so that you never miss another adventure in Unicorn Valley. And be sure to check out my brand new Unicorn Activity Kit. It's so much fun. It's got coloring pages and connect the dots and mazes and all sorts of fun unicorn activities. I'll be sure to link it below. And I'll see you again soon. Bye, glitter friends.
Goodbye!